Hello everyone. Today we are going to look at a very interesting topic, how to create presentation using ChatGPT. Now, whether you are a seasoned professional aiming to impress in your next meeting or a new learner stepping into the world of employment, discover how ChatGPT can revolutionize the way you create PowerPoint presentations. Now, start crafting these PPTs today so that you can captivate and communicate effectively. Let ChatGPT be your secret weapon. And if I have to tell you about Programming Hub is an innovative educational platform with a rich legacy of empowering over 20 million students worldwide. Our aim is simple to provide you with a comprehensive learning experience that goes beyond coding. We want to empower you to excel in various domains and so that you can unlock new opportunities and horizons. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And before we dive into today's topic, there are certain basics that we need to understand. So let's start. First and foremost, let's understand what is GPT. GPT is a generative pre-trained transformer. It's an AI developed by OpenAI, and that excels in generating human-like text based on the input it receives. It's capable of understanding context, answering questions, and creating content across various domains. Now, when generating bullet points for PowerPoint slides, what GPT does, it processes the input prompt to structure information in a concise and visually digestible format, which is suitable for presentations. Now, for bullet points, it distills complex topics into key elements, ensuring each point is clear and impactful. It facilitates quick audience comprehension. For instance, if tasked with summarizing innovations in solar energy, GPT might produce bullet points like advancements in photovoltaic technology and solar energy solutions, solar storage solutions. Now, for narratives, GPT crafts a storyline or explanation that supports the bullet points, providing depth and context. Now, this narrative can serve as speaker notes or a script and guiding the presenter through detailed discussions on each bullet point. It also ensures smooth flow of information, connecting the dots between the listed bullet points and elaborating on them to enhance understanding. Now, in essence, GPT's ability to generate bullet points helps in laying out the presentation's main ideas clearly, while its capacity for narrative creation allows for the expansion of these ideas into comprehensive discussions, making the overall presentation more engaging and informative. Now, let's look at different examples of tools. If you want to use GPT as a technology in order to create presentations from research and content generation perspective, how can you actually fine-tune and personalize the final output as well? Now, here are a few examples of tools which you will be interested in. The first one is presentations.ai. What presentations.ai is, does actually leverages AI to simplify PPT creation. It offers features like slide generation, infographics, charts, and project plans, presentations effortlessly. Pitch.com. Now, pitch.com offers a user-friendly interface that empowers teams to create visually stunning presentations. The AI draft feature jumpstarts your project, while customization options allow you to tailor content to your brand. Smart editing tools enhance efficiency, and collaborative features ensure seamless teamwork. Whether you are pitching to clients, sharing insights with your colleagues, or presenting at conferences, Pitch simplifies the process for you. And look at it, it is so intuitive and so beautiful that you can change a lot of things, right from fonts to images to the overall design, everything, and it does it really well. The next one is edrawmind.com. This particular tool is actually an mind mapping tool. eDraw Mind is a versatile tool for creating mind maps, especially when organizing information into bullet points and descriptions. Couple of points that you would want to focus on is one, boundary creation. The tool allows you to group related topics and subtopics using boundaries. And also, when you actually look at its summarization feature, it helps you select relevant topics and create concise summaries. Now, you can edit text and expand with subtopics and enhance, with clarity. Now, let's look at the next one, VPick. VPick is an AI presentation maker which revolutionizes PPT creation. With just a few clicks, it generates impressive slides, saving you time and stress. Whether you are a business owner, marketer, or educator, this free tool empowers you to create professional presentations effortlessly. And look at the kind of process that you can follow here. You can actually look at what kind of visual styles are there, what kind of tonality is there, and then once you select all of that, your presentation is ready and you will be able to change whatever you want. Next is Tome. Tome is a very good app for creating effective presentations through storytelling. It offers AI powered slide creation, automatic formatting, intuitive drag, and options for adding visuals and text with just one click. Whether you are a business professional or creator, this tool will help you do everything. Now, let's look at one example of how you can create PPT with the help of ChatGPT and Microsoft Word. This is a very interesting, example. First, you create an outline in, ChatGPT, saying how to create a marketing plan. Provide me slides for creating a PowerPoint presentation of 5 slides, and then it will start giving you an outline. We'll just wait for the outline of the 5 slides. But now you must have seen that it is giving a proper headlines, what is the title, what should be the bullet points and all of that. So let's just take all of it that it is giving us, and then we will put it in a proper doc. When you copy paste the entire document, whatever ChatGPT has given you in a Word doc. Now here what you have to do is just go on top. So mainly in the view section, if you just in the view section click on outline, and it will give you the entire doc for your reference. It will give you the entire doc for your reference. Now here is the next step for us. So now what you do is, whatever are the main main titles, like for example, if you see here the market analysis, ignore this is where the slide, this is actually slide 1. So you put market analysis and then you have bullets in the topic, right? So if you look at here, what I've done is I put market analysis in all the bullet points. So I have done it in the same manner for all the 4 slides which are there. Now you look at this, you select this, click Control on your keyboard and select all the head titles, and you actually select them as level 1. Then what you do is you select all, then again click Control and select all these, okay, and you select this as level 2. All right. Now let's look at the next process. And what you do is save as a docx. Right, so I'm just putting this as part of my uh, downloads, and we'll put it as a docx file. You can put it as a txt file also. I mean, it doesn't make any difference. All right. So you use that, because by default it will save as a docx file. You just save in downloads. All right. Now let's look at the next process. So now once you have saved the doc as a docx or .txt file, what you do is you create one small PowerPoint presentation PPT. All right. Click on new slide. Then click on slides from outline and select that doc which you wanted to insert as a as PPT, where you have done level 1, level 2. So see, now you will see that the PowerPoint has actually created the presentation from your doc outline, and that's it. It's so easy to actually do this. Before we end today's session, I want to talk about a course which is your one-way ticket to mastering generative AI, ChatGPT hacks, and prompt engineering. Whether you are a student or professional or a budding AI enthusiast, this course will catapult you to AI stardom. Now, your guide to this exhilarating journey is none other than Siddesh Joglegar, an AI wizard with over 15 years of experience under his belt. With his infectious passion for teaching and wealth of industry insights, Siddesh will make your learning experience nothing short of a thrilling roller coaster ride. Now, if you want to enroll for this course, the link of the course is provided in the description below. And don't forget to subscribe and dive into more interesting breakthrough videos on our YouTube channel. Till next time, take care.